How to deactivate Viber account from another phone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to deactivate Viber account from another phone. Uninstalling Rakuten Viber can help you resolve some issues that you may be experiencing with the app, while deactivating Rakuten Viber will permanently delete your account. To uninstall or deactivate Rakuten Viber on your desktop, please review our dedicated article. If you plan on reinstalling Rakuten Viber, you should back up your chat history so that you can restore it later. To uninstall Rakuten Viber from your Android, find the Rakuten Viber icon on your phone's home screen. Now tap and hold the Rakuten Viber icon, tap App Info, and tap Uninstall. If you want to reinstall the app, please follow the instructions in our Setup Viber on your phone article. In iOS, find the Rakuten Viber icon on your phone's home screen. Then tap and hold the Rakuten Viber icon and tap Remove App. Or tap the X that appears in the top corner of the icon if you have an older version of iOS. If you want to reinstall the app, please follow the instructions in our Setup Viber on your phone article. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.